So you've got yourself a Google Pixel phone and you'd like to reset your safe folder in the Files app on your phone. Maybe you forgot your password or you just want a fresh start. We're going to show you exactly how to do that today. Now do keep in mind when you reset the safe folder, you will lose all the data that's stored inside it. So don't do this unless it's a last resort because you'll lose all of those documents. So let's jump into it here. Go ahead and tap on the three lines here in the top left-hand corner in the Files app. And we're looking for the settings option right here. You can go ahead and tap on that. And then we'll scroll down in this menu here and you'll see the safe folder here at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on safe folder. In here you can change your password, but what we're looking for is reset safe folder. So we'll tap on that. It will give us a warning. All files in the safe folder will be permanently deleted. So again, only do this as a last resort. You will lose all files currently in the safe folder and your lock will reset. So if you're good with that, go ahead and hit reset. If you're worried about it, hit cancel. We're gonna go ahead and hit reset and it's gonna reset that. So it says safe folder was reset. Now when we go back out here and open up our safe folder, it's gonna ask us for a new PIN or password to set it up. We can easily do that here. We'll hit next, put that password in again, and it is reset. It's that simple, but do notice that everything in that secure folder is gone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.